Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding, nobody knows, but it's my mama's channel. Okay, today we're making an acai bowl. Make sure you wash your blender and you need acai packs. I don't know what it's called, but next you need a bottle of water. Put a whole thing in, girl. Put the whole thing in there. But just kidding, not the whole thing, but you're just gonna need a little bit. Then you're gonna put the acai packet in, the whole thing. Next, you're gonna need some banana frozen peels. Well, not peels, but slices. You're gonna put how many you would like. Then you're gonna need some strawberries. Pieces cut up, and they need to be frozen. Put a couple in there. Now you need some Skippy Natural Creamies. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Next, put a spoonful in. Close that lid, put it up. Now you're gonna need to blend it. Now, blend it up real good until it should be looking like a little smoothie kinda. Or like slime, you could say, or Play-Doh. Get it up real good. Okay, now we're done with this. Now that's what it looks like. It looks good, but no. Now we're gonna put the whole thing in there with the spoonie on it. That looks good, bad. Get that. Everything in there. Everything gets in there. Now put that blender to a side and just smooth it out to make it look like the thing that it's supposed to look like. A acai bowl. Now you're gonna need these granola bars. I mean, not granola, but it's fine. Now we're gonna need some sunflowers, some banana cut up. Now you're gonna need some of these sunflower nuts. Circle them all over in a circular motion to make it look really good. Now you're gonna need some strawberries. These are gonna be real good. Just dazzle them around. Now you need some honey. It doesn't matter what kind. Just get some honey. And what you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to dazzle it around, just like this. Dazzle it, circle, dazzle, dazzle, circle, dazzle. Like a pancake with some syrup, like that. Some almonds, whole natural. Take a hand, just take about like 4 or 5. Or handful, it doesn't matter. Now you're gonna need these. Now put the spoon in and you're all done. Bye.